The Helo app is an application-based tool on your smartphone that allows you to access your individual health information and interact with your doctor's office securely over the internet. The following demonstration navigates you through the patient portal, highlighting important features and actions you can take within your Helo app, including asking your doctor a question, requesting a prescription refill request, and attending a virtual health visit, and more. To download the Helo app, search for Healow in the App Store for Apple devices or Google Play for Android devices. Once you download the Helo app on your phone, click Get Started. Enter the code given to you by your provider's office. You'll then be taken to the login screen. Enter your username followed by password. Once complete, click on Login. You'll then be able to read the Terms of Use agreement. Click to agree to the terms and conditions. You'll now see your dashboard, which includes various icons and options that we'll navigate through within this demo. Up at the top, you have the Appointments icon, which allows you to manage and access your upcoming appointments. The Medication icon allows you to manage your prescribed medication, over-the-counter medication, and refill requests. You'll see a list of your medications. To hide any of your medications, click on Hide. To keep it within your medication list, click Keep in My Meds. By clicking on the plus sign in the upper right, you'll have access to add new medication or request a refill. The check-in and find appointments icons are not usable at this time. The Trackers icon allows you to connect your health tracker devices, such as a Fitbit or a smartwatch. Medical records will show you your medical records that are available at your provider's office. Records include vitals, problems, immunizations, results, and several other records-related information within this icon. By swiping up, you'll see your messages located below. You can click on each message individually to read them. To send a message to your provider's office, click on the plus in the lower right of the screen. You'll then be able to compose and send a message. To access a televisit, you'll take the following steps. From the dashboard, you will see the Appointments icon in red. Click on that icon. You'll see your appointment with the televisit camera icon. Click on that appointment. You'll have the option to enter in your vitals. Once you've entered your vitals, click the Submit Vitals button at the bottom of the screen. Read through the consent for medical treatment and click Accept and Proceed. The next screen will take you to the appointment details. Click the Start Televisit button at the bottom of the screen. Then click Start Televisit. You will then be taken to a virtual waiting room until your medical assistant or provider is ready to connect with you for your virtual appointment. In the top left, you have an icon of where your picture should be. If you click on the icon, you'll see your name, date of birth, and provider's office location. You can also link a new account. Settings for your account are located at the top right via the gear icon. Here you can change your PIN, take a tour, see the terms of use, privacy policy, and link devices. To log out, simply click on Log Out and confirm it by clicking Yes. This concludes this tutorial on the Helo app.